Anything to say?
All right, I think I'm ready for the trip. I got everything packed up. My sushi roll back here. Should be good. All my stuff for 10 days. I have built-in shades right here.
So cool.
So, pretty durable helmet. All right, go give it a test. Perfect.
Awesome.
Okay.
Rachel approved. Justin, have an amazing journey.
Bye. Okay, I've been on the road for about 2 hours. The trip to Ninh Binh is supposed to take 2 hours. I left at 9, it's now 11 a.m. I have another hour to go. So some problems that arose. The major highways that I plan to take, only cars can use, not motorbikes. So I've been weaving in and out of different cities. Someone just passed by. Weaving out of different little towns actually, and rice paddies, and it was really, really pretty. A lot of pagodas, patches of water, ducks, lotus plants, those kind of things. Anyway, another hour to go. Here's where I'm at right now. Can I show you? Let me just turn this camera around. Well, I can't turn the camera around, just do this. Okay. And in the horizon way over there, if you can see, it's kind of foggy, a little cloudy, but those are, you're starting to see the mountains of Ninh Binh, that's our first destination. So, we'll see how we adjust to this trip, but this is one of the shortest legs, so I will see how tomorrow goes. I'm supposed to do almost 8 hours tomorrow, but this has proven to be a 50% longer stretch than I thought, so we'll see. All right, getting back on the road. Okay, new update. It took an hour, and I'm here in Ninh Binh. You can see behind me. It's beautiful. I love it out here. And I was just enjoying some off-roading, going over, kind of standing on the pegs of my bike, kind of riding the dips in the road. I'm on a dirt road here, you can see. But back there, it got a little bumpy. It was fun, but then I felt a lot of give in the back of my bike. And well, if you can see here, I have a flat tire. So early on in the trip, we got a flat tire, and well, as you can see, I'm kind of in the middle of nowhere. So I need to find someone to fix this flat. All right, trying to fix the flat tire. Found this nice people. Em đi ở đâu?
Đi ra đường cái này lên chơi quán kia có một đoạn thôi, một đoạn ngắn thôi là có cái hàng người ta sửa xe.
Ok. Bao nhiêu km? Bao nhiêu mét? Mấy trăm
mét mà có độ khoảng 20 mét.
200 mét.
Không phải đâu. 200 mét nó khoảng 200 mét nữa rồi. Mới 20 mét.
Ok.
Chỗ nhộng bồng đây này.
Đi thang 200 mét. Ok.
Đi ra đường cái này đi đây độ 20 mét. 20 mét.
Ok, ok. 20 mét.
20. Từ đây lên nhộng bồng thì 20 mét thì bao nhiêu?
Cái đất của mình đây là 22 mét, sao mình mua 200 mét?
Thì đến 200.
Sao vậy?
Okay, found a mechanic. The telltale sign. Huh? Lift? Okay, he needs me to lift it. Okay. He didn't have enough bricks to stack it up to work on the back tire. And I'm exhausted because we've been lifting it and laying it and lifting it and laying it because it was leaking gas, and we finally put it on the reserve tank. I guess he's gonna fix it laying down. Yeah, it's all part of the adventure. Don't know what he's gonna do with that thing, but
Hết rồi, hết rồi.
okay. There's no more gas, he says. It's over because of the reserve tank. So he's good to go, I guess. We don't need these bricks anymore. Whew. And then we'll, yeah, interesting. Okay, check back in later. So you can't really tell right now, but I'm straddling the front of this thing to weigh down the front. We've got bricks underneath the chassis there, and we've got there's a drop off there, so we got the back a little high enough for he's got a shovel. You can see we're even using a shovel. This is Vietnam. This is the real deal. We're trying to change a back tire, and I think it's been 20 minutes since I've showed up. We've laid it down. You know, we're getting another. I don't know why this thing doesn't have a kickstand to raise it up. Well, the bike fell down again after the prompting. I went to the back over here to get a drink of water from my packing there, and the front tire right here just started to pivot the wrong way, and it just toppled over and broke the shovel, and well, not broke it, but just knocked it all down. And we're almost done with this. It's been a very long time though. I guess they don't have air compressors here. Don't know how you get a PSI reading on that, but we'll see how it goes. Could take a while. Okay, so we fixed the back tire, but now the clutch is not working, so I'm trying to figure that out. This guy's been pushing me with his foot. This guy's a mechanic. Think I'm on, and but he doesn't think he can work on my clutch. My clutch.
Không biết là
is
cái
stuck.
con này nó có vấn đề
Stuck
gì
right
để ra.
Can't drive a motorbike with a stuck clutch. It should be it's like, yeah. Anyway, so he's gonna push me with his foot on that. Friendly push to get my clutch fixed now.
Ở đây xung quanh hả?
Where are we going? Okay, it's 2 p.m. I think we got the thing fixed in the bike, the clutch. Okay, cheers. Okay. Rất ngon.
Rất ngon à?
Rất
Nhưng
ngon.
vẫn miệng đang bị thiếu một thứ.
Rất ngon. Xin cảm ơn. Cảm ơn.
Quất em chưa xài vào. Còn không? Có không cho anh bỏ. Thì em đang mất luôn.
Very good. Okay, we made it to Ninh Binh. We're on a boat now. This is, we're about to go see the spot where, well, one of the spots where Kong was, like the movie, where they filmed here in Vietnam. So hopefully we'll see something really cool. Maybe we'll see a big monkey walking around up there. Here's our motor. She's very strong. Rất khỏe, rất khỏe. Okay, here we go. Here's the rest of the passengers in my boat. Vợ em là Mỹ. Em married 8 năm rồi. Chưa con. Chúng ta không chưa con. Chúng ta muốn con, nhưng chúng ta
Why not? Why not? No children, no son, no wife.
well, it's very difficult. Yeah. I'm making the lady laugh because I'm trying to paddle the boat with one hand and film with the other. She motioned that for me to get this paddle, start using it. And then she's doing all the real work. But I look good with this paddle, I'll tell you what. As long as I don't clip hers. Whoop, like that. Okay, and drop the paddle. Don't drop the paddle. All right. Okay, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. We're here on the movie set of Kong, Skull Island. We're gonna take a peek. I have 10 minutes before the boat leaves, so let's check it out. Looks like the movie set. Here's the real deal. Look at that. That's what it looks like without the movie effects. Very interesting. You can hear the locals, you can hear the natives, Skull Island. Sweet. United States Army. Oh, very cool. Ah, they want to take my photo. Hi. So I'm gonna. Hey, we're taking a photo. Here, look. Hello, with the locals. They want to take selfies. So that was really funny. As you saw, I was looking around these teepee things, and this lady grabbed me, wanted to be in a photo, and then she just like clung to me, and then the person taking the photo gestured that you should put your arms all the way around her. So that's really funny. So I don't know who she is, but she has one awesome picture, guaranteed. Okay, this is my room. Here's the door. For the homestay, got a fan. It's the bed with a net. I already moved in, put my stuff down here from the road trip. Get over here. This is actually just a spare room that they had. They actually had no vacancy here. It's just like a staff room. So I guess there's some just random clothes here and bags, bedding. But I got all my gear down here. I'm gonna sleep underneath this, away from the mosquitoes. I got a fan blowing on me. It's gonna be perfect.